It was all self-evident. In the wake of the deadly crash of a Tesla running in autopilot mode, the media made a conspicuous inquiry: would Tesla debilitate autopilot? The appropriate response from CEO Elon Musk was similarly self-evident: autopilot remains dynamic. Be that as it may, Tesla says it will be more forceful in enlightening drivers regarding the cutoff points of autopilot. The feds, in the interim, have become included and have approached Tesla for a torrential slide of printed material and data about autopilot use, near calamities, and driver contribution. That by itself might be discipline enough for Tesla getting out front of self-driving. A framework that would spare lives. This week, Elon Musk told the Wall Street Journal, "Many individuals don't comprehend what autopilot is and how you turn it on," adding Tesla put up autopilot for sale to the public, and plans to keep it accessible, in light of the fact that we knew we had a framework that just would spare lives. Tesla designs a blog entry, one of the organization's methods for staying in contact with proprietors, additionally clarifying the subtleties of autopilot and what it should or shouldn't do. Bits of knowledge on Tesla blog. In the interim, on the Tesla blog, Tesla gave some more understanding into autopilot. The Tesla post was a swipe at a July 5 Fortune article taking note of that Tesla, the organization and its CEO, Musk, sold $2 billion of Tesla stock after the May 7 deadly crash that executed Joshua Brown while autopilot was exchanged on in his Model X, however weeks before freely reporting the lethal mishap.